Hi everyone, in front of me I've got an Oppo Reno 10X Zoom, and let me share with you how to change keyboard language on this device. So first of all, we have to open the keyboard, for example in messages or in notes, it doesn't really matter, just have the keyboard on the screen, and right now we have to enter the settings. If you cannot find them here, also no worries, just tap on the three dots icon and the settings should appear right here. Of course, you can then tap on them, hold it and drag it to this panel to have much faster access to this feature. So let's enter the settings, and we have to tap on the languages, which should be on the very first position. And as you can see in my case, I've got some languages previously added, but no worries, let's tap on Add Keyboard, and as you can see, we've been transferred to the full list of all available keyboards from which we can choose all available languages and layouts. So we've got plenty of options to choose from. I'm really sure that you will find the language you'd like to set and use. And let me pick the graphical language, because I would like to actually show you the actual difference. So let me pick Arabic, for example, and sometimes you will also be able to pick the region. So again, just tap on the one you'd like to set. Here we've got two different keyboards from which you can choose, so probably the order of the letters is different. I will stick with this one, so let's tap on done, and as you can see, it has been immediately applied. If we are on this step, I can also show you how to remove the language, so it will be much easier for me to show you later on how to change the language, because I will not have to go through all of them, so the Spanish and the Russian. So if you want to remove the language from this list and also from the keyboard, just tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner. So let's tap on it, and as you can see right now, we can mark the languages. So in my case, I will mark Spanish and Russian. And if you'd like to remove it, just tap on this trash bin icon. So let's tap on it, and as you can see, we've got only English and Arabic left. As you can see also, after tapping on this edit icon, you can reorder the languages. So you can decide which language will appear at first. But let me leave it like this. Let's leave the English as a default one. So let's go back to the keyboard. And here we've got actually two differences comparing to the keyboard with only one language. So first of all, the spacebar is not empty. We've got the name of the language we are currently using, and next to it we've got the globe icon, the language key, which will actually allow us to change the language. So right now I'm typing English, but after tapping on this globe icon, I can easily switch to the Arabic one. And after tapping on it again, we've got the English, and so on and so on. So this is how to actually add the language to a keyboard, and I've shown you how to remove it. So if you do not need two or three different languages added, then again tap on this one, mark it, and the trash bin icon. So actually this is it. This is how to change keyboard language in your Oppo Reno 10X Zoom. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.